Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. And today we will read page number 57 of the chapter Project Sunshine. Are you ready? Let's read. Jeet was almost in tears when he opened the toolbox. But we don't have all these in toolbox, he cried. Don't worry, said Jeet's father. We will buy all these from the market. Let's get in the car. He was eager to get started. They spent the morning at the market buying each item carefully. After they came back, the three sat down to the task. Mother made tea and sandwiches. Jeet helped Uncle Shirish and his father build the plane. They took the bigger piece of wood for the body and drew the design on one side. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. When the basic shape was done, they used sandpaper to make the edges smooth. For the wings and tail, they took some small pieces of wood. They drew the wing and tail measurement on the wood and sawed those off. Then came the fun part. Jeet glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. Now I am explaining. Have you read page number 55 and 56? Okay, we have read that there were two friends, Jeet and Rakesh. They were discussing about their EVS project. Okay, Rakesh was making the model of his school. Then Jeet had no idea. Suddenly he saw an aeroplane in the sky. Then he shouted that I'm going to build a model plane. So he asked from his uncle Shirish and he was also agreed. So with the help of his uncle, he drew a list that would require for the model plane. Now in page number 7, we have read when Jeet opened the toolbox, he was in tears because some tools are missing in that box. But Jeet's father said, don't worry, beta, we will buy these from the market. Let's get in car. But he was eager. वो तो बहुत एक्साइटेड था. ईगर मीन्स एक्साइटेड. दे स्पेंट द मॉर्निंग एट द मार्केट. उन्होंने पूरी मॉर्निंग मार्केट में गुजारी और सभी सामान अच्छे से खरीदा केयरफुली. आफ्टर दे केम बैक द थ्री सेट डाउन टू द टास्क. हु वर द थ्री? Yes, his uncle, his father, and Jeet himself. Okay, the three sat down to the task. What was the task? That is model of plane, and his mother made them tea and sandwiches. Okay, then Jeet helped Uncle Shirish and his father build the plane. जीत ने अपने फादर की और अंकल की हेल्प की प्लेन को बिल्ड करने में, बनाने में. What they did? They took the bigger piece of wood for the body. बॉडी के लिए उन्होंने बिगर पीस लिया वुड का एंड ड्रू द डिज़ाइन. सबसे पहले उस बिगर पीस ऑफ वुड पर उन्होंने डिज़ाइन ड्रॉ किया जो कि उन्हें एरोप्लेन के लिए स्केच के लिए बनाया था उन्होंने. देन दे कट आउट द बेसिक शेप्स विद द सॉ. उन्होंने फिर सॉ की मदद से बेसिक शेप उसकी कट आउट कर ली. व्हेन द बेसिक शेप वाज डन दे यूज सैंड पेपर टू मेक द एजेस स्मूथ. बेटा जब भी हम कुछ कट करते हैं तो उसका जो एजेस हैं वो लकड़ी के उसको स्मूथ करना पड़ता है. उसके लिए उन्होंने सैंड पेपर यूज़ किया. सो बेसिक शेप वाज डन. दे यूज सैंड पेपर टू मेक द एजेस स्मूथ. अब विंग्स एंड टेल्स के लिए क्या किया उन्होंने? दे टुक स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ वुड. ओके, मीन्स बिग पीस ऑफ वुड. फॉर द बॉडी दे यूज बिगर पीस ऑफ वुड and for wings and tails they took some small pieces of wood. Then they drew the wing and tail measurement. अब जो उन्होंने विंग और टेल की मेजरमेंट की थी उन्होंने उसको वुड पर ड्रॉ किया एंड देन दे कट ऑफ दैट शेप. देन came the fun part. What is that fun part? जीत glued the pieces of wings and tail together. जीत ने उसका जो pieces थे wings and tail को उसको glue किया, उसको उसके साथ paste कर लिया. And tomorrow we will read page number 58 of this chapter. Till then, keep reading, keep practicing. Bye bye.